Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an error E51 and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. First of all, the E51 error is a motor fault. So there's electricity going to the motor that shouldn't be, that controls the speed. And you might notice before you get this error, you might even have noticed some shaking in your washing machine because it was not controlling the speed of the motor properly. So this is generally going to be an issue with the control board, and you're almost always going to need to have a technician come and take a look at this one. The only thing I would suggest before you call a technician is to do a hard restart on the machine, because some weird electronic anomalies can cause this type of an error. So if you do a hard restart, which is basically turn your machine off and then cut power to it completely for a full minute, so either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, leave it off for a minute, restore power, turn it on, that'll clear the error out. And then if the error does come back, at that point you should call a technician because they're going to need to check the control board and the motor and everything like that. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.